ever tried ripe plantain waffles? Well, if you haven't, here's a nice recipe to try it. Let's get to it. Plantain is very ripe, you can just use a fork to mash it. Okay, to this I'm going to add some vanilla and some cinnamon. Okay, so I'm going to spray some non-stick cooking spray on the waffle iron. So I'm going to get half a cup of the mixture. I'm gonna open the waffle iron and look at that. Nice and brown. Ooh, it's pretty soft too. So I just loosen it. Alright, so now I'm going to put some caramel syrup on it. It's so soft. Smells great. Feels really fluffy. Nice and sweet. Overall, just amazing.